I'm making this video because I looked for a video like this on YouTube and could not find it, so I figured I would make my own. This is an old basement window from the mid-50s. I wish to remove it. According to my one friend, this is how you do it, so I want to take a video of it. I actually put tape across the window in case I break it pulling it out. It is pane glass, and I assume it might not be shatterproof. Okay, open the window up like this. Take a screwdriver, lift it up, leave the screwdriver in there like that. Do the same thing to the other side. Supposed to lift out. Might be a little jammed from over the years. And out it comes. That is it.